Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 27. If we start with this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5. For this box, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 9, 6. For this bottom row now, we're missing a 3. For this column, we're missing 2 and 7. 2, 5, and 7. We've got 5 and 7 here, so this is our 2. That 7 makes this our 5, 7. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 6, and I don't see any help. So 1, 6, 1, 6. For this box, we're missing 2, 3, and 8. We've got 2 and 8 here, so this is our 3. 8 here, so 2, 8. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, and 7. We've got 3 and 7 here, so this is our 1. 3 here, so 7, 3. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 9. For this row, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 5. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 4. For this column, we're missing 4, 6, and 7. We've got 4 and 6 here, so this is our 7. 4 here, so 6, 4. That 6 makes this our 1, 6. For this top row now, we're missing a 9. For this row, we're missing 1, 7, and 8. We've got 7 and 8 here, so this is our 1. 8 here, so 7, 8. For this box now, we're missing a 7. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 5. We've got 2 and 5 here, so this is our 1. But I don't see any other help. So 2, 5, 2, 5. For this column, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 3. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 6. For this row now, we're missing 1, 8, and 9. We've got 8 and 9 here, so this is our 1. 9 here, so 8, 9. For this box now, we're missing 2, 4, and 5. We've got 2 and 5 here, so this is our 4. And we're back to missing 2, 5, and 2, 5, so we can just plug them in. If we make this our 2, that makes this our 5, 2, and 5. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.